In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in Dropbox. We all know the frustration of opening a file only to find that it's awkwardly zoomed in, making it difficult to see the whole picture. So let's dive right in and simplify the process of adjusting the zoom settings in Dropbox. First off, you'll want to go to Dropbox.com and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside the Dropbox interface, navigate to the file you want to open. It could be anything like a PDF, an image, or a document. Go ahead and click on that file. Doing this will open it in what Dropbox calls preview mode. In this mode, you get a clearer view of your file without needing to download it. Now, focus your attention at the top of the window where you'll find a toolbar. Here's where you have a couple of options to zoom out. The most straightforward method is by locating the minus icon. It looks exactly like you'd expect, a small symbol. Click on this icon, and with each click, you'll notice the document zooms out incrementally. This method is quick for those who prefer using visual controls. But wait, there's another way you might find useful if you want more control over how much you're zooming. This involves a drop-down menu right next to the minus icon that displays the current zoom percentage. If you click on this menu, it gives you a range of percentage options to choose from. Simply select a smaller percentage, like 50%, if you want a significant zoom out with less effort. It's just as efficient and provides a clear overview of the entire file. What if after all this zooming, you find yourself wanting to return to a more natural fit? Dropbox has made this easy too. On the toolbar, look for an option that says Fit to Screen. Once you click it, your document will instantly resize to fit the whole window. This is especially useful if you're working with multiple files and want to ensure they're all displayed correctly without constant adjustments. For those keyboard shortcut enthusiasts, Dropbox hasn't forgotten about you. If you're on Windows, you can easily zoom out by pressing Ctrl and the minus key together. Mac users can do the same by pressing Command and minus. These shortcuts are handy for those who prefer using their keyboards over navigating with a mouse, and that's all it takes to adjust your zoom settings in Dropbox. With these tips, you'll be managing your files with ease, making your workflow smoother than ever. Try it out next time you're in Dropbox and see how much more manageable your files become. Thank you for watching, and happy Dropbox.